This is Love We Found.
Thank you guys for coming over all over the US. May bumiyang ba outside the US? Meron ba sa Philippines?
Magkilala sa kalagalagan na ulit ko kanina. Saan galing kami? Florida!
Lapit lang ng US pa yung Florida.
Oo, syempre.
Sa Philippines. Good evening, Anaheim! Energy ninyo tonight. Ibang klase.
So amazing talaga. Alam mo, ayan, ulit-ulit namin sinasabi ni Pao na grabe, for the concert na tayo, no? Professional show ngayon, nandito kami sa harap ninyo. All because of all the Kim Pao love na pinibigay ninyo. Do you want more?
Yes!
What kind of more? Ayan, grabe iba talaga yung dito. Ramdam mo talaga ang love all over the world. May mga happy pa na kasama. So supportive.
Feel ba talaga ang love and insight sa Anaheim?
Ayan, best prescription for self-care, Kim Pao. Ayun yun.
Feel talaga natin ang love dito sa Anaheim. At syempre dahil kasama ko kayo.
I'm so very happy as an introvert yourself. It's amazing for the nag-enjoy ka naman with me.
So far, nag-enjoy. So far.
Hello! What's your best experience with me? Close na lang talaga.
Hindi ko pwedeng ikwento sa kanila baka.
Ano? Alam mo, sabi ko na kumanta mo na mag-dance. Pero maraming salamat talaga for joining us tonight. You started the night amazing, kaya maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all your support. Dahil sa inyo, buhay na buhay po ang Kim Pao Spirit.
Kasi napapansin ko yung mga, I see the boyfriends, the husbands, the workforce, by their girlfriends and wives, the workforce. So thank you for accompanying your loved one.
Yes, sa Redwood City nga, meron yung asawa niya, yung husband niya, sinurprise niya yung misis niya. Doon sa meet and greet, sabi niya, hindi ko alam, dito kami pupunta. Iyak daw siya ng iyak. Doon sinurprise siya ng hobby niya. Amazing, di ba?
Hindi ko, may anak na ulit sila.
Advance mo naman. Okay, try mo yan. Pero ano ba yung ginagawa bago mag-anak?
Nobya.
Yes.
Papakasal.
Yes, that is amazing talaga. Kaya naman, ayan, yung mga napuntahan natin, di ba kahapon, kumain tayo ng dinner.
Sabi mo naman sa kanila yung mga ginagawa natin.
So, we're na talaga, ayan, nag-dinner kami sa isang Mexican restaurant. The cutest. Ano bang mga recommendations niya ng mga magandang restaurant dito? bahay niyo.
Yung mga two-seaters lang. Two-seaters lang.
Sa bahay niyo ha. Ilang chores ito?
Shouting lang.
Yes, choking halo-halo sa Frida. That's it, di ba mami? May choking ba dito?
Yes!
Siyempre, ako ang third woman. At siyempre, simula pa lang yan. One more time. Anaheim! At kumakababain ng mga children ko, isang napakasigawan para sa isang napakasigawan para sa Kipaw! Gusto mo lang lang magkiligin? Dahil mismo, i-challenge natin silang dalawa! Sila Prima Paolo ay maglalaro sa tinatawag natin this or that. Ayan I will mention the following choices, then sabay-sabay yung sasagot Kim and Pao. Pero bago yun, I will let Kim and Pao do the honors of selecting their own team members. So Kim,
Una tayo?
Pagkakapag-practice. Yung mga last lugar nila. Bakit po yung kapitbahay kayo? Okay. So, eto na yung this or that natin, okay? So, kailangan ko ang inyong mga reactions, okay? Here are your choices. This or that. Okay? Makinig. I need your reactions, ha? Okay, first. Lights on or lights out? Lights on or lights out?
Ba't sila sumagot?
Ay, siyempre, excited sila.
Ako.
One.
1, 2, 3. Lights on.
Ang naman, hindi kay pareho yung isa ko.
Kim, ano ba yan?
Pwede ba mag-explain?
Okay, sige. Hindi ko mag-explain. Pinigyan ko. Paano?
Kasi mabilis sumakit mata ko pag malakas masyado yung pain.
Kasi matatakotin ako. So, gusto ko naka-on talaga yung mga ilaw.
Ay, naku, hindi mo na kailangan ng ilaw pag matatakutin ka.
Bakit?
Ay, nandiyan na siya.
Ang sarap siya.
Number 2. Eto na, kumain ka na or miss na kita?
Miss na kita!
Paano na namamatay ka sa gutom niyan?
Ay, kayo ba kakasagot niya?
Ah, sige. 2, 1. Kumain.
Diyos ko, ipaliwanag niyo yan.
Hindi kasi yung aking...
Si Paolo natatanong.
Hindi tumataba ako pagkain naman ng kain. So, miss na lang ako.
Ano kasi, kumain ka na ba? Kasi lagi siya talagang hindi masyadong kumakain. Lalo pag hindi ako kasama.
Eto na ang susunod. Eto, makinig. Bulo or tinig?
Titig.
Hindi mo rin kasama.
Sagot mo sa'yo.
Saya!
Bulo or tinig? Parang pakinggan yung dami sa akin.
Kaya nga, parang nasa animal print ka pa.
But I will zoom. Answer.
Tinig.
Ako mag-explain ako.
Explain, Kim.
Kasi iba man
Huwag
siya.
na lang explain sample na lang.
Ala!
Siya. Umpisa na natin sa sino mag-aak ng bulo? Okay, bulo.
Ay, sorry.
Any variable yung ano yun?
At remember kasi, Kim?
Super naman talaga kasi ako.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eto naman tutukan nyo, ha? Si Pablo naman mag-aak ng titig. 1, 2, 3. Eto, reaction na lang. Yakapsun o kiss-piring? Yakap Zul o kiss-piring?
Pero gusto ko talaga yung mga smile on your face. I love it. It made our Gusto ko talaga yung mga smile. Gusto ko talaga it's giving you.
Tsaka yung mga mukha ng mga boyfriend tsaka asawa na napili.
Pero talaga enjoy talaga yan sila. Thank you talaga super.
Di ba? Oh, at tapos tayo, kiss-piring.
Alam ko na-change ko na yung topic.
Ito ang hihintay sila.
Ako gusto ko yakap Zul.
Yakap Zul?
Sige, yun na lang bilang.
Ang sweet! Oy guys, umpisa pa lang yan, ano mga sagot nila. Ang daming kilig na kilig! Ayan, at dahil dyan, dahil sa pagkakilig nyo, may mga nahuli tayo sa ating kiss cam. Okay? So, eto na ang mga nahuli natin sa ating kiss cam. Yung parang napapanood nyo sa NBA, ayan na.
Pati na rin sa Coldplay concert.
Oo, yan. Asa na ba camera? Ayan. Sino mahuhuli sa ating kiss cam? Ayan. Kailangan mo mag-kiss.
Ang daming bato.
Bakit na kalikot? Ito. Puro putok batot nakikita mo. Ano ba puro putok batot? Parang mga itsura. O ayaw pwede rin live kiss. Ayun na naman. Ayun si nanay. Kayo ilan yung matuturo. Turuan na lang. O ito, umpisa na natin. Kayo. O ito muna. Ito tali. Ako na na. 1, 2, 3. O, magkasawa kayo. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Tayo, yan, 1, 2. Wow! Sarap na naman natin lahat. Yes, of course. Tuloy-tuloy ang ating kulitan. Sila, wala. Hindi na pala, gano'n na. Wala, may pasurpresa tayo. So let's continue to celebrate the love with Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino. Once again, a big hand for Kim Pa.
Sa hindi nasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagtugtog, damang-dama na ang bukong ito. Di ba sapat na sabihin na hindi ko iparang sa'yo.
Iyong yaga ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. At di ba patulan, puso ng kulan, ayaw umaasa, hinagkakatulan. Ikaw ang hatulan, at di lang tulungan mo. Ako ang sabi sa'yo, at di ba
Kaya nga eh. Sana.
Sa pagpuntas hindi lang kami pumatungo doon sa pinakalikod. Mamaya ulit, doon naman tayo magsimula sa likod. Gusto niyo ba yun? Yes, for more amazing bonding. I'm so happy.
Oh, nakita mo siya.
Later. Later.
Up close.
Ayan.
Hawakan din ka ba ni Kim?
Sunny Pao.
Wala.
Meron akong poster of the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Wow, bakit?
Kasi... Kasi...
Ikaw ang buhay mo.
Kasi ikaw ang star.
Ang buhay.
Kasi ikaw ang star na ang buhay namin.
What about your night?
Isa pa na
Oh, thank you. You're the star too.
off.
Everyone's life. Kasama na rin ako doon. Ikaw ang star ng Pasko. Pasko na ba?
Ay, Diyos ko ha, sa Redwood City, tulad ngayon, star ka.
Wala. Pasko na talaga tonight.
Diyos ko, iba-iba ha. At syempre ngayon, ililevel up pa natin ang kilig tonight. Dahil ngayon, kayo naman ang bibida. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready for our next segment. Ang masayang game na tatawagin natin, Picture Perfect Kim Pao. So we're gonna play a game, Team Kim versus Team Paolo. So Kim, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag-iwalay na tayo.
Alright.
Iwalay
Ilang
na tayo.
members ba to?
6 for easy.
Woo!
Three from the front row, three from the back row. Oh, yeah.
Three from the third row, and three from the fourth row.
Si Paolo Pipili.
Mahirap po ito. Mahirap po ito. Mahirap na ito.
Tita Heidi!
So, Parang naulog. Ang pag-uwi ko naulog. Sandali lang, para hindi magulo. O, bawal magulot. Ilabas yung komando ko. Okay, team Pao. Asan yung mga team Pao?
Wala, pwede na.
Ay, lang ang mabilis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima ka na. Yung 6. Okay na po. Dito na po. Okay na.
Si Tita Heidi, napili ni Kim Chu!
Oh, okay. Si Francis Claus muna. Si Francis Claus. Okay. Oh, ikaw usapan ka usapan ka din. Okay, makinig. Bago ma-excite ka na. Okay, team members, listen to the mechanics, okay?
Okay.
For each round, again, listen, focus.
Parang may boy zone dyan nakating si Paolo.
Ay, no, mamaya lang yun. Okay, ito lang, sige. I will give a scenario, and every team will replicate, replicate a picture or inside a picture frame within the time limit of 20 seconds. So dapat,
For the acting part.
so dapat pag sinabi kong go, aaktuhin nyo na yung babanggitin ko, ha? Para picture perfect talaga. It's okay, don't worry.
In English!
I'm gonna help you. Yeah, I'm gonna help you out. Don't worry. I'll be your showman. You will be my pal. We will be showman. Okay, don't worry. It's very easy. So we're gonna play it like a picture perfect frame. I'm gonna say a scene.
Bakit malumanay ka sa kanya at sa amin parang ano?
Ano kayo, dalawa lang, masaya? So I'm gonna say a scene, and then you're all just gonna act it out. Okay? And then when I say go, you all act it out, and when I say freeze, you all stop. Okay? Good? Okay.
Balik-initan ka dun sa point na yung higa.
Okay, so the special winning team will receive a special photo op with Kim and Al. And we will determine the winning team sa inyong malakas na palakpakan at hiyawan. You will all serve as our judges, okay? Ang losing team, buti nga sa inyo. No, hindi. Meron pa rin kayong chance na makasama si Kim and Pao, okay? So, contestants, team leaders, Kim and Pao, are you ready? Ready. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes! The winning team is ready.
The champions are ready.
Oh my gosh.
Excuse me, we won the last. Kami natalo na nakaraan.
Pabawi, sa Redwood City, sila nanalo.
Kami.
Kayo na, hindi sila nanalo. Natalo sila. So, Kim, this is your chance.
Yes, this is my time to shine. I hope so.
May consequences, di ba?
Oh, okay, right. Sandali. Ganito gawin natin, na kung sino ang matalo, ano mangyayari?
Kiss!
Pag si Kim ang natalo, ano mangyayari?
Kiss!
Pag nanalo kami, kiss. Pag natalo si Kim, sasayaw ako.
Malinaw ba ang narinig nyo?
Yes!
Natin ulit yung sinabi ni Papa Paolo. Pag natalo si Kim,
Kiss!
pag nanalo si Kim,
Sasayaw siya!
G only in Anaheim.
pag nanalo si Pao,
Kiss!
I think more on dance tayo today. Dahil minsan lang po yung dance.
Parang manood na lang sila ng asap ng sasayaw.
gusto nila live. Okay, ready? Ready about audience? Okay, our first scenario, listen up. Animals. Ha? Mga animal, katulad ko. Na nakamula sa zoo. Hold on, what's your name? What's your name? Jaden. Okay, Jaden. The first scene are animals who escaped in the zoo. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze! Oh, nakita nyo? Ano pong problema niya?
Parang mas maganda yung sa amin kasi yung sa inyo parang zombie eh.
May animal na magaling.
Kicking fish.
Anong hayop yung ginawa ni Mami?
Ano pong droga na ito? The scene 2. The second scene. Cheater, the second scene. Set up. Okay, eto na. Dapat ito yung acting niya. Mga zombie na nagpa-party at mga lasina. Zombies who are partying and are already drunk. Okay? In 1, 2, 3, go! May timer, may timer.
Pag daw ipopost, naka-live siya.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze! Oh,
Pag daw.
Kim! Kim ang galing ko dyan. Kim! Hindi ko akalain ganito sa flexible dahil. Sus, ginawa mo Kim. Ano to Kim? Sus, ito lang kabila. Diyos ko si Papa Paolo, baka po pala yung sila. Diyos ko, huwag ka po malapak. Hindi na ako sa okay, and go! Release! Okay?
Super na talaga. Akala ko hindi ka mabalik sa tagal.
Alam ko ang galing mo na. Hindi ko alam kung sumpi ka o model na ba. Okay, scene
Dapat
number...
natin sumayaw kasi sabi ni Mami, mananalo tayo kasi dapat sumayaw si Paolo.
Mas gusto niya ng kiss.
O hindi na yan natin. Gusto lang sumayaw si Paolo.
Yes!
Gusto niyo ang kills. Eto pa. Perfect scene number 3. Ang eksena. Intense eksena sa isang teleserye na may sampalan.
Oh my
Okay?
God.
This is a scene in a TV show where the acting, or TV show or a teleseries, where you act, the acting is like you slap someone in the face. But don't make it so real. Or else there's be liabilities. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, 3, go!
Wala lang.
4, 3, 2, 1, free! Ano mo natawa ako sa inyong dalawa? Parang parehong lugi sa badyo. O, ito naman. No. Ay, Pilipino. Ay, no. Ay, nako. Okay. Release!
May marites kami dito. Stop na siya.
Eto, gusto na makasama ng stage, wala namang ginawa. Ready ba kayo sa inyong napili? Pero ako, gusto ko lang panalamanan. Pag nanalo si Paolo, ano mangyayari?
Yay!
Pag nanalo,
Sa balik namin, di ba, Madam Tibor?
At syempre, hindi rin naman pagkatapos yung mga Paulo. Okay, now, it's time to vote. Sa pamamagitan ng malakas sa palakpakan niya, let's start with Tim Kim! Nabilang ko,
Ilan yan?
3,180. Naku, Pao. Good na. Ayun ko na.
Ito, natalo siya sa Anaheim, hindi lang siya mapapasaya.
Naku, pero,
Kung gusto yung makita, di ba?
pero pag si Kim ang nanalo, alam niyo na mangyayari. Ngayon, umpisa na natin. Team Paulo! Ladies and gentlemen, nabilang ko. Ano yung bilang ko kay Kim?
3,000.
1,184. Ay Papa Paulo, 3,183.
Sasayaw na yan! Sasayaw na yan! Sasayaw!
Kasi nagawa ka ng recount ito.
Malinaw, tapos na ang pukasyon. May nanalo na. Kaya ang sigaw ng bayan.
Sasayaw! Sasayaw si Pao!
Nagtubado kasi okay na.
Etong gagawin natin, contestant, atras mo na kayo dito.
Hindi, nabado. Hindi, kasi may utang kiss sa break, di ba? Oo. Hindi niya rin naman binayaran yung...
Paulo! 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 Paulo!
Ang pinsan ko, Paulo Lino! So, ito na. Paano? Yun na. Bibigyan ka na natin. O ngayon, photo of kanini with the fans.
Gagawin na ka!
Tanong mo ba? Grabe.
Gusto ko yung naglalang 3,186.
Grabe ang pressure ni Kim. Dahil ang pressure ni Kim sa ikaw. Okay, smile. Harap doon. Hanapin niyo kung kaninong kamera. Ito. Iyak, kamera. Oy, pero ano ha? Joke aside, never kong ginawa ni Paulo yung gano'n. Kaya palakpakan niyo naman si Paulo. First time na yun dito sa Anaheim. Ganyan niya kayo kamahal. Nakakaloka. Diyos ko. Grabe din kasi ito mag-pressure. Okay, so, congratulations winners. Dahil mag-ready ka na muna doon. Habang kami naman ni Papa Paolo ang magkukwentuhan, Diyos ko, pero ang galing mong sumayaw doon. Nag-enjoy pa kayo doon?
Mahirap po yung pera.
Okay, hindi. Pero eto magkwentuhan tayo po. Para naman sa inyong mga minamahal na mga fans, mga talagang loyal. Asa ng mga loyal fans ng Kim Pao? Eto, pagkamulat na, paano ba kayo unang nagkakakilala ni Kim? Pakinig.
I first met Kim during Star Magic Ball. I think nakwento ko na to rin sa Redwood.
Redwood.
It was my first Star Magic Ball in ABS-CBN, and then we were introduced by our Sir Deo during a private party. And then while we were being introduced, may kaguluhang nangyayari, may mga nagsusukan. So, na-cut doon until several years after nakasama ko na si Kim sa ASAP sa mga ibang show. Pero nagkausap lang talaga kami at nagkatrabaho kami sa Finland.
So, fast forward doon sa unang yan, for sure nakita na, what attracted you most kay Kim? Malakas mo sa, what attracted you most kay Kim?
I mean, I know you guys know that Kim is multi-talented, but during Linlang, I think one of the reasons why she was considered to be casted there as well is to give her something different. Kakaibang role. And if you watch Linlang, ayun, hanap ko na yung word, it's an infidelity story. It's so far from Kim's personality, from everything she's done before. So, ayun.
What can you say about your loyal fans naman?
Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting all the shows from the show we started 4 years ago, from Linlang to our movie, which earned quite a lot here in the US. So thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for giving me that. For those who didn't watch it, it's on Netflix. It's on Netflix. But thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for continuing support, for your continued support. I know a lot of you guys are watching Alibay as well, so maraming salamat.
Oo. Alam mo, dami talagang nanonood sa teleserye ni Rini Kim. Sino mga nanonood? Ano ba? Sino? My gosh! Alam mo, Pao, ang mga bisita at ang mga fans nyo ay nagmula pa sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Amerika, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. Okay, iparinig nyo ulit kay Paolo, lahat ng mga Tagalog! Lahat ng mga Kapampangan! Diba? Nang mayayaman, yan. Lahat ng mga... Yes, totoo yan. Lahat ng mga Ilocano! Kalipot, yan. Pero Baguio pa naman, kaya pa na super wow ko talaga. Diyos ko, ano bang nakita mo kay Kim na hindi mo makita sa akin? At siyempre, ang mga Bisaya! Diba? Si Paolo is from Baguio. Wow, masarap doon ang mga strawberries. Diba? Ang taray! So, ano ang pinaka talagang exciting part mo sa world tour na to, Pao? What are you really looking forward other than yung samahan nyo ni Kim?
More than anything, it's really to come here and thank you guys. I know a lot of you guys haven't been in the Philippines in so long, or I know you miss the Philippines. Dahil iba na rin yung buhay niyo dito sa Estados Unidos. Kumbaga, masaya naman kayo.
Oo, talaga.
Kaya apektado masyado ng oil price higher sa mga nangyayari.
Ay, mukha lang. Pero apektado yung mga yan.
But more than anything, we're really here to thank you guys and to put smiles on your face.
Thank you, Pao. So, Pao, ikaw na muna bahala dito. Kasi alam ko, meron kami pakikilala.
Meron na naman?
Meron. Oo.
Ayan.
Mumuno talaga.
Tama.
Okay? So guys, palagpukan nyo ang minamahal yung Pao.
Para sa akin, ang kilig nararamdaman rin yan sa mga sobrang talented. Kasi mapapawaw ka hindi lamang sa ganda, kundi pati na rin sa talent niya. And I know someone who brings so much joy, energy, and light hindi lang sa stage, kundi sa bawat taong napapanood siya. And tonight, she's about to show you why she continues to shine brighter every single time. For 20 years and counting, Anaheim, are you ready? Are you ready to be amazed? Everyone, please welcome the one and only Kim Chu!
Sabi nila, love is a feeling, a connection between two hearts. Pero para sa akin, love is something I have been lucky enough to experience every single day. 20 years ago, I was a young girl from Cebu with a heart full of dreams. Walang kamalay-malay sa hinaya. Hindi alam kung saan patungo. Alam ko lang, sumuwa. You made me a big dream, and my dreams became bigger. Sinamahan niyo akong maniwala sa mga dreams ko. Dahil maniwala kayo sa akin, at dahil sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta, nandito tayo ngayon. Diba? 20 years later, I look back at this incredible journey, the memories, the lessons, the dreams that slowly came true. Pag nakikipatuloy ako, sarap ng buhay ay ang sarap pala. 20 years of moments that changed my life. And the truth is, none of this would have been possible without you. Sa araw-araw niyo, lagi ko sa iyo. Pero sa pamamagitan ng lahat na nakikita mo na siya, pati ako na siya. Kaya gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in my dream. And thank you for giving me a love that has lasted 20 years. Samahan ko ulit ako sa next 20 years. Wala na 1.5. Next 20 years. Let's go! Love, Kim. Thank you.
Lisa.
Yes! Ako na yung kaya join mo na ngayon!
Ang galing mong sumayaw, Kim. Pwede ka bang opening ng football?
At syempre, na Opal Like Dance Challenge sa inyong Christmas party, tama ba? Yes, and speaking of dance challenge, syempre meron tayo ba dance challenge today, tonight!
Tonight, dito sa Anaheim, malalaman na natin makikita kung sino yung mga magagaling kung ganun.
Yes, sino dito ang may mga world permit app? Yeah!
Oh, huwag yung mga isusera again. Asa na mga world permit? Okay, thank you.
Yes, at dahil dyan, papasok na ang world permit representative.
Ang ating world permit representative na si Miss Tessa Alpea, or shall we call Tessa for short?
Yeah!
Ano dito, Tessa?
Yes, I love that dancing.
Yes. So now raise your hand if you want to dance for Kim! We're looking for people that are fast like a transaction speed. We're looking for people that are singing like a and we're looking for people that are amazing, that are great with my
Mas maganda sa tawagin mo na ito. Tawagin mo na ito isa. O sige, sila. Oh, Tessa, have you found the free? Where's the free?
Is it this baby boy? Baby boy!
Oh,
Come on, let's go.
oh, he wants to join. Oh, there's one of them. One.
Oh, there's another son. That's your son. Is my son.
Yes.
You have so many sons. So many beautiful sons.
Oh no, this is the father. This is the father of our child. Yes, this is the father. Yes. Oh. Yes, you'll be the godmother. Okay. Okay. So before we let them dance, let's get to know them one by one. You stay
Hello,
here.
baby boy. Baby boy, what's your name? James. James. How young are you? 9.
9. And where is James from?
Lake Elsinore.
Lake Elsinore. It's somewhere here. Look at you. Okay, next. Tessa.
Where are you from, sir?
Ohio.
Oh, you're Japanese.
And what is your name?
James.
James, Ohio. And what is your name? And where are you from? April from Chino. April from Chino! Oh, I think your birthday is April.
June. What's your name?
April yung pinakalan ng mama niya sa kanya.
And next.
Hi, Joe Frias from Los Angeles.
Okay, someone may fans. Ano po sabi niyo? Ayun,
So first, we're gonna watching video right here on the screen. So cue the video and pay attention. Pay attention.
Okay, so, okay, contestants, look at the screen.
You need to study very hard. You're gonna watch it live. Hi guys! Alam nyo, sadaling mag-pera padala with World Remit anytime, anywhere. Napapasayo din ako anytime, anywhere. Kaya naman, the World Remit Dance Challenge for you.
Did you get that?
You got
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Kaya mo yan?
Okay.
Pero matagal na yung bata.
Okay, listen.
May 9 years old dito.
So
ano
you-
is confident?
Confident?
Is ready.
Okay, let's start that. Let's make her start first. Because you're special to me. I will give my world and remit it to you. Okay, you start first.
Alright, contestant number 1, April! Cue music!
Ano? natin going bulilit. Okay, next! Girl, yung nakapero last. Talaga rito.
Okay, Miss Jo from Los Angeles, are you ready? Contestant number 2, cue music!
Let's go.
Oh, mukhang professional.
Yes. Sa work, ha? Hindi dance. Sa work.
Sa work.
Ito na yung, di ba last mo yung world mo? Yung baby boy naman.
Baby boy, did you see the dance steps? Did you see it?
Are you scared, baby boy? Don't be scared. Huwag ka magpakita
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Look at me. I am your future son. I used to be like that. Now I'm a transformer.
Okay, let's do this like this. Okay, for more poginess. Let's go, baby boy. In 3, 2, 1, music! You know what that dance means? It's ocho ocho.
Are you familiar with the dance step? Who taught you that? Are you going to Ate Kimi? You go with Ate Kimi?
Come on,
Because
come
now
on.
I'm
You're the best.
Tessa, who are you introducing to?
It's your future.
Alam mo, sabayan mo na siya. For more togetherness.
I'm so happy that you came.
We need to do the challenge
I
together.
don't know, I mean, did you buy diapers already? You want the Tessa?
So, hailing from Ohio, contestant number 4, cue music!
My gosh, I think I have triplets. Okay, let's go back to the contestants.
Okay, everyone, you are all going to be the ones voting, so you need to clap loud, okay? So let's start with contestant number 1. All right, contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4.
I think there's a tie. We need a tiebreaker between number 3 and number 4.
Yes.
Let's start with number 4.
They can do it together.
Yes. Oh, you want that?
I want that. What?
No,
What I want?
what you call this? Ano yun?
Naku, parang talaga English.
I know. Kailangan mo tapat mo. Tapat. Versus.
Yeah, first battle. Dance battle.
Okay, sandali. Kayong dalawa, conscience muna kayo dito. Okay, for the last time, together. 3 and 4. In 3, 2, 1, music! Oh my gosh, the family is complete.
Thank you so much, Kim.
Yes, we have 2 winners.
Congratulations to both of our winners. You both get to win. They meet and greet with Miss Kim Chu herself exclusively after the show. Congrats. And of course, Kim, as our brand ambassador, we want to ask you, why do you choose World Remit?
Of course, World Remit pag nagpapadala nagdadala po tayo sa Pilipinas ng pera. Of course, yung pinaghihirapan natin pera dito sa ibang bansa, it has to be secured, fast, and safe kapag pinapadala natin. Dahil hindi biro ang magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Kaya with World Remit, it's the easiest way to send money. It's fast, easy, and reliable. Kaya download the World Remit app na.
Yes, thank you so much, Kim. And again, you are fast, easy, reliable. And again, we have a few wristlets left. If you want an exclusive meet and greet with Miss Kim Chu herself, go ahead and download World Remit and check out the table in the back. Again, make some noise for Miss Kim Chu and for Becca!
Miss Becca and World Remit! Thank you, Miss Becca!
Congratulations.
Thank you. And watch this!
Akala ko sapat ka na, pero hindi pala. Ang kapal mo, pinaglasan ka na malaki. Pero pag kailangan kita, hindi kita maaasahan.
Dear Abigail, ayoko na sa dati ko yung tagal-tagal. Love, Juliana.
Oh, Juliana, move on at mag-switch na. The perfect match ng mga OFWs, ang World Remit. Alright, let's play. Let's play. Music na pala. Nahanap niyo na ba si Mr. Right? Kayo? Ako! Actually, talagang hinahanap ko talaga siya, sinusunod ko talaga, nasabi ko talaga sa self ko, is this the man I need? Yeah! Kaya naman, anak, do you want more? Yes, excited na talaga siya. Bukod sa pag-dance niya kanina, ay haranahin ang bawat isa sa inyo. Kaya naman, celebrating his 20 years and showbiz also and upcoming birthday ngayong May 13. Sinabi ko na, di ba, para matingin niyo din siya. Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin pa to. Come on, deal with amazing Paolo Amelio!
Sa maraming taon ko sa aking showbiz career, passion is the reason I keep going. 20 years ago, nagsimula ang lahat because I was curious. I was curious to tell stories. I was curious to become better. To tackle every opportunity with honesty and authenticity. Sumusuko ka na ba? Lalaban ka. And that's when I was reminded of something important. That every journey needs three things. To have a dream, to believe in that dream, and to survive along the way. Dream, because without dreams, life becomes stagnant. Watch the flow and be with the flow. Believe, because just in believing that you can achieve the simplest things in life gives you the strength and drive to move forward. Masarap sa feeling yun. And survive. Because most of the time, surviving means swallowing your ego and pride. And through it all of you have witnessed and been part of my story. 20 years of stories, 20 years of growth, 20 years made possible because people like you chose to stay. Maraming salamat for believing in my dreams. Maraming salamat for walking this road with me. At maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng ating journey. Patuloy niyo akong binibigyan ng inspirasyon araw-araw. Kaya paalala ko hindi lamang sa sarili ko, kundi pati na rin sa inyong lahat. Chase your dreams, just believe, and survive. Love, love. It's funny because, as I've said earlier, I grew up in Baguio in a very simple household. with 4 siblings and with 2 parents raising 3 children and 1 rebel. Yeah, so getting into showbiz was really something so different from home because everything was so laid back. Back in Baguio, everything was so quiet and peaceful, and when I entered showbiz, nagulo lahat. In a good way. Also the Baguio. Yay! But yes, these are my childhood photos that I was initially hesitant to share. Pinahukay ko sa mga photo albums ko sa Baguio. And thank you everyone. Each person makes this journey in my career worth it. And yes, for my next song, sayahan naman natin ang konti. Reminiscent. Pero I'm sure a lot of you guys know this song, so if you know it, you can sing the chorus with me. I mean, music.
tatanggap ng Stop Boys! Pero siyempre, tuloy-tuloy ang ating kantahan dahil ang paborito niyong teleserye ng Kim Pao. Yes, yun. Well, good news, we have someone very special back on stage to make us feel all the drama, all the romance, and all the nostalgia. She is here to serenade us with the ultimate Kim Pao teleserye theme songs, and I promise, every note is gonna make your heart skip a beat. So please welcome back. Sa buong minute ulit natin na malakas ang palakpakan at iyawan, your new gen pop diva, Carmel! Big star from Manalaban, Kim Chu, at Paolo Avelino!
Ambulansya na to.
Ay nako, Kim, Pao, alam niyo naman, pag may mga ganyan na tayong sound effects, alam niyo na meron mangyayari.
Ano?
Ah? Ah?
Hindi mo ako ulit yan.
Sandali! Ano ang naalala niyo pag may nakaputi at pag naka-black?
Alam mo ba, Super? Simulan mo na yung question and answer.
Diyos ko, kinakabahan ako. Naka-read away lang naman ako. Eto na. Diyos ko, eto na. Oh, ano?
Ala, Super naman talaga.
Eh di, makinig mo lang sa sasabihin ko. Gigigil naman ko siya. Sa entrance kanina, you all had the chance to send messages na sinulat nyo sa mga postcards. Kaya naman, andito na ang mailbox. At dito, pipili ang Kimpaw ng babasahin nila. Ang mapipili, babasahin ang message. Plus, one will have the chance na kausapin mismo si Kim and Paolo will finish the sentence game. Okay? Ganyan kayo kamahal ng Kim Paolo. Game na sila. Ang tanong, game na ba kayo? Yeah! Okay. I-welcome natin ang segment na ito na Kim Pao Confession. First message.
Okay.
Wrong.
Wow, wala pa tayo sa Canada, pero wala. Jim and Zenny. Oh,
From Canada.
Canada. Cantada? May lugar ba ng Cantada?
Ayun! Ayun siya! Pag natawag po ang pangalan niyo, tumayo kayo agad, utang na loob.
Yes. Habang pinupuntaan siya, basahin muna natin yung message.
Oo. Tumayo ka na ate at babasahin na ni Kim.
Dear Kim and Paolo, tonight means happiness. Nice seeing you guys again.
My favorite Kim Pao moment is watching your shows.
Aw, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Okay, ito na ha. Finish the sentence, ate. Ate? Taga saan ka muna, ate? California. So, asan ba tayo? Chicago? Okay, Torrance. Okay, ate. Ready ka na ba, ate? Lakasan lang natin, ate, ha? Ate? Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay...
Ulitin natin. Kung pagkain ka, ano ka?
Ikaw ay?
Ulitin.
Di ba mo naman yun?
Oo, dapat may reaction doon. Oo, ganun. Ang pabaga. Okay? Kung pagkain ka, ano ka? Kim, ito na lang.
Ladies
pagkain si Paulo. Ano si Paulo?
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay siomay. Kasi yun ang favorite ko eh.
Siyempre, hindi naman magpapahuli si Paulo. Paulo, kung... Sila hindi makakaalam nun. Tanungin mo rin si Kim, kung pagkain ka, okay, at Paulo, kung pagkain si Kim, ano naman siya?
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay kanin.
Kanin? Bakit?
Kasi kaya mo lahat. Kahit anong i-partner sa'yo, kaya mo.
May sense. Diba? Ate, masaya ka ba? At dahil sa katanungan mo, may matatanggap ka.
Teddy bear!
Yay! Thank you, ate na taga-Torrance. Okay, next.
Today is my birthday. Can we take together?
Oh,
Yes, later. Happy birthday.
Oh. Okay, next. Okay, Paulo naman.
Victor! From Victor.
Victor!
Yun lang, ikaw.
Victor!
Tonight means a paramount of happiness to all of your dedicated fans.
Oh, it's so deep. Paramount.
Victor!
It's a different kind of happiness. Thank you so much.
Wow.
My favorite Kimpaw moment is meeting both of you during the premiere night of your movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear. Oh!
Okay.
Kumalit siya.
1, 2, 3. Wala na po si Victor. Manahimik po siya.
Effort pa naman yung message niyo.
Andiyan pala!
Oh!
Diyos ko, nabuhay siya.
Victor!
Sir.
Nasaan si Juliana?
Okay, Victor, are you ready? For the sentence. Ayan na.
Oh, the cutest. Thank you for...
So, let's read it loud and clear, Victor. Go.
Sure. Sa dami kong taong nakilala, ikaw yung
Sa dami ko,
Paramount Deep.
nakilala.
sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang... Okay.
Ikaw yung
Ikaw muna.
Oh? Ladies first.
Ikaw muna. Wala
Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang... Ang daming coach.
Okay, kayo na dito. Kayo na dito.
Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang...
Ano naman, mag-2 shows pa tayo.
Kailangan ko bang sabihin? Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw
Kanin na naman.
kanin ng buhay ko. Isa sa pinakamasipag.
Thank you. Nasipag ka.
Ano ba ako? Wala akong ginagawa.
Yes, I love working. Pero ako naman, sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw yung icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake.
O, sige, ulitin mo. Ikaw ang icing sa buhay ng cupcake. Sabihin mo. Sige, ulitin mo.
Sa dami ng nakilala ko, ikaw ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake.
Ho! Ay, tuloy. Oy, palakpakan niyo naman! And Victor, thank you so much. Thank you. Palakpakan niyo naman yung segment nating Kimpaw Productions. Alright, Anaheim, tuloy na natin to. Now it's time to sing your heart out because Kim and Paulo are about to lead us in a very special karaoke segment, singing most of their memorable songs as Kim Pao loved him throughout the years. Ladies and gentlemen, Anaheim, once again, Kim and Pao! Grabe yung duling eksena yun. Okay na ba ako dahil?
Yes, ang haba may trail kasi siya, hindi ko rin alam na ganito.
Grabe yun naman yung pagpapakilig sa ating lahat ha. And speaking of pagpapakilig, para naman itong moment naman ito ay para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Dahil meron tayong mga talagang loyal fans nyo rin na talagang may hinanda sila. So, we will go to representative of Team Anaheim. Team Anaheim, please. Ayan, ang Team Anaheim. Please. Pumila kayo dito.
Happy
Anniversary.
anniversary na namin. Thank you.
Yes, because it's your anniversary and it's your birthday. Okay, what's your name, ma'am? Your name? Heidi, go ahead.
Hi, Kim and Pao.
Hello! Kami ang Kim Pao International. As you can
Thank you so much.
And we have a special, on your special day, we want to give you a special presentation. Hindi lang kami dito sa Anaheim ang gusto magpasaya sa inyo, but all over the world. So we have a special presentation that you can watch.
Watch tayo.
Please watch this.
Hi, Mom.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to Kim and Pao. This is Jocelyn, Kimpo International from Los Angeles, California.
Hi, Kim and Pao. I'm Shobra. I'm here just to see you. Salamat po sa happy birthday and congratulations on 20 years. Thank you for all the joy you bring. We love you. God bless.
Hi! Mary Poppins from Indonesia. Salamat ulang tahun pernikahan dan selamat ulang tahun untuk Kini dan Paolo. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to you, Kini and Paolo. I wish you all the blessings in life, ultimate happiness, and of course, always good health. Take care always. Bye! Love you!
I'm Kim Pao. My name is Worship, one of the member of Kim Pao International here in San Diego, California. So I want to wish you both a happy birthday and happy 20th anniversary. So congratulations.
Hi, Kim and Paolo. This is Nina and Kate Perry of Kimberland. I want to wish you a very happy birthday and anniversary.
Happy birthday, Kim and Paolo. This is Anna, and I know I'm from San Francisco, California, and I wish you both a happy life and to have a happy family.
Happy birthday and happy birthday. I'm wishing you the best for both of you. This is Marsha.
Hi Kim, happy birthday, this is Carol. Know that you have been a huge part of our lives, so yeah, just take care and God bless.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary, Kim and Pao!
Happy birthday, Kim and Paolo, and happy anniversary as well. This is Heidi, and wishing you all the best and happiness in life. Enjoy every moment of it.
Okay. Love Kim Pao Anaheim. Sabay-sabay po natin i-greet ang Kim Pao ng happy anniversary and happy birthday in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy anniversary!
And speaking of birthday, Naalala niyo yung ginawa natin kanina? Okay, now stand up! Everybody, Anaheim! Ngayon, ang pagkakataon yung ipakita at iparamdam sa kanila na mas magaling kayo sa Redwood City! Okay, so ready? Ready! Huwag niyong ipapahiya sa dalawa, ha? Tandaan niyo yan, ha?
Nakasama parang simbahan.
Oo.
Pinapatayo.
Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Tandaan niyo, lalong-lalo na sinasalita ka sa dito. Pakikita ka sa camera, ha? Hindi mo ipapahiya, ha? Okay, ready? DJ, hit it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow! Maraming salamat sa mga naka-asul. Oh, meron pang isa. Oh, asan yung video natin yung kanina pinrelatis natin? Oh, tugtog niyo rin yan. Tapos yung mga placards nyo, i-ready nyo na. Itaas nyo eh, nakikita ko bago natin pindutin. Sasabayan nyo ang video. Okay? Tumayo kayo. Lahat ng mga may sakit, gagaling. Lahat ng hindi na... lahat ng hindi na... Lahat... Mamaya na yan, hindi ko na dyan. Lahat ng hindi nakakakita na kamalakad yan. Okay, ready? Video, music, go! Sunod! Okay, malakasan pa lang mga kanya! Okay, Pao, please stay here in the middle. Ayan, because this moment, diba? Nakita mo yung galong-galong nila.
Surprise naman pala tayo dito.
Diyos ko, nakita niyo mga itsura niyo? Lalabas yun sa National Geographic. Oh, eto na. This is the moment where you're gonna hear your beloved Kim Chiu and Paula Avellino na magbibigay ng mensahe sa inyo.
Hello, Miri! Yes, thank you so much! Thank you, Anna! Hindi ko naman naging emotional.
Alam ka, pinaiyak niyo si Kim!
Yes, thank you so much talaga with everything that's happening around the world. We love to see your beautiful smile. Enjoy ko yun sa mga performance namin ni Pao. Kalimutan niyo yung mga problems niyo for a while. Did you guys enjoy? Thank you so much for coming to our show tonight, for supporting all our teleseries. Because all of your love and support, nagkaroon kami ng world tour and another series coming soon, which is Copino. May dahil yun sa inyong lahat, for always supporting us, for always supporting our project, sa TV man, sa Prime Video man yan, sa YouTube man, or dito sa world tour, kahit kung sing and dance kami dito, and with the introvert Paolo Avellino na pa sayo, sing, dance, and all. So ayan, maraming salamat talaga. This means so much to us, kasi akala namin mga 50 people lang yung mag-watch sa amin, pero thank you so much. Yes! So grateful. Challenge pa kayo with everything sa lahat. Basta, I'm very happy and very grateful to each one of you here tonight. Thank you.
O, ikaw naman Pao, for your fans.
Before we even started, I think, selling tickets, parang Kim was very nervous. People would watch us when we do our own, ako rin naman, when our own like mini concerts going around the US and Canada, hopefully even more. Pero seeing you guys here and seeing you guys your support and seeing this whole place almost filled up. We're grateful from the bottom of our hearts. So thank you guys. We appreciate you. We appreciate all the efforts you gave for everything, the dances, even for you to just go out of your house, buy tickets, and come here. We're thankful and grateful. So thank you.
Wow, wow. At eto pa, oh, may humabol pa sa'yo. Ayan, oh, happy 20th anniversary.
Sa start pa lang, inangat, nakaangat.
Tapos na pala ito, umupo ka. Hindi naman ako sa'yo.
Pwede ba mag-hello kayo sa aking Instagram?
Okay. Gusto niyo ba lumabas sa Instagram? Yeah! Ready?
Hello tayo. In 3, 2, 1.
Oy, pero nakita ko talaga ang luha sa mata ni Kim. She's very, very happy. Very, very happy. But of course, we're not gonna just end the night na hindi natin maririnig ang mga mensahe nila sa isa't isa. So, the floor is yours.
Grabe.
Kim.
May pari na kami!
Join us, and may mga flashlights kayo dyan for more energy concert
Oh,
feels
flashlight.
level. Pwede nyo i-turn on, sing with us, and enjoy the last few songs.
Pero Kim,
Nag-hearing na naman ako. Bumalik tayo sa yakap mo.
Nasa muli, palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi. Pinapanalo niya si Kim sa game kanina, di ba? Sa walang kiss. Meron sa amin.
Kiss! Yes!
Pero actually, parang nanalo din si Paolo eh. Parang nanalo din si Paolo.
Kailangan talaga siya ng super.
Wala daw ako dahil halos na puno natin ito.
Grabe, sobrang bilis na pangyayari. Parang kailan lang nag-opening tayo ng Nana at Ale. Pero eto na tayo ngayon. Just wanna say thank you to everyone!
Kaya ayaw namin, gusto namin balik-balikan agad lahat ng moments na pinagsimulan natin.
Yes, from the kilig to the music at sa love na binigay nyo. Kaya naman...
Anaheim! We prepared a little surprise for you!
Kiss!
All in one special video.
Yes, this is our Love People World Tour live in Anaheim.
Sa imposible, ayoko na mga imposible, ayoko na umasa pa sa walang silbi.
Ayoko na may pagkilan ng bawal. Ayoko na pagkilan ng sukan. Ayoko bumili ng underwear na mahal.
Wala kang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako. Gusto ko lang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako.
Dinah,
Miss Rio!
Miss Pat,
Roy!
Miss Missy,
Miss Ina!
Sir Ray Olano,
Ate Yen, Mama Jen, and Ate Heidi!
our dancers, Ancestral Pressure!
Yes, of course, Carmel! Thank you so much! And our host, Poca!
Everyone,
Yes!
welcome back. Thank you.